This video is about my TifTuf, which I haven't fertilised for 8 weeks, have hardly watered and just mowed once a week. Let's get your lawn on. This was a late November install after many delays. The day I installed it, it was a 45-degree day. The next day was 47. I did some syringe watering for a couple of weeks as it grew in. It grew in very quickly, and I'll put a link up here for a video that shows you that. I've only done one fertilise with this lawn. That was 2 weeks after the lawn has been put in. For the next 8 weeks, I just mowed it once a week, sometimes twice a week if it was growing a little bit. And my watering was once every 10 days, a deep watering in the morning. So how did it fare? Well, it's come up all right. I must say I've really enjoyed the relaxed style. It's sitting at about 30 to 35 mil thereabouts. It's number 2 on my Ego rotary at the moment. And yeah, it's been a joy, really. Look, it's not as deep dark green as my front yard. At the moment, that's at 10 mil, and I'm putting products on it, every week. This, I haven't done anything, and it's doing really well. And if you're a person that likes a cooch, you don't have a heck of a lot of time to look after it, you've only got basic equipment, well, this comes up very well. So just a different part of the day shot for you, because there's a bit more sun now, so I'll just show you that. It's looking mighty. Now it's not looking as dark green as it was when it was early on in its life and it's fertilised, but it's certainly handling the conditions well. Yeah, look, there's a bit of thatch in it, and it's come up in a few spots there, but really, underneath, it hasn't thatched up too much that it's a problem. It's definitely there, but that's kind of a good thing. That's looking after the surface of the ground and limiting evaporation. Now, before I go any further, full disclaimer, this lawn was supplied by Lawn Solutions Australia. It's a TifTuf lawn, and it was supplied for me to test. I had the TifTuf before, and I had that really nice and low and just perfect all the way. It was a putting green, just the whole lot. I've done all that before. There is a claim that TifTuf uses less fertiliser and less water, and I really wanted to test that. Look, this was supplied, take it with a grain of salt, but I think you'll agree that the green of this is a fair bit lighter than it was a couple of months ago, and I am doing what I'm saying is that I haven't fertilised, and my water, well, that's been once every 10 days, and I've proven that before as well. Look, this style of lawning, doing the very easy things of mowing once a week with a rotary, mowing a bit taller, not fertilising that much and not watering that much, that's a camp that a lot of people are in, so I'm just presenting this as an option. In the future with this lawn, I will be getting it to the nth degree with the Lawnporn program and cylinder mowing, so look out for those videos in the future. I'll be doing a little video series in the near future which will highlight transitioning from a rotary mower to a cylinder mower and how you go with your area, especially good if you're a first-time user or something like that. But do realise with cylinder mowers, and look, we'll just go to my front yard and have a bit of a look, see how that's going, because my front yard is looked after with a cylinder mower, and I put all sorts of products down on it every week. More or less to the program and everything like that. But yeah, look, this is the front. Is this thing going to work? Yep. This is the front at the moment. And she's looking lovely. Got a bit of a syringe water today happening, just to promote that some of those bare areas. I'm getting smashed by the rabbits down here, but this is all coming together quite nicely. You just got to realise that looking after things with a cylinder mower is more expensive. It's more expensive mower, it's more expensive in maintenance. You'll have to use a little bit more water, so there's a bit of an expense there, and keeping it looking good with a fertiliser regime is totally vital. and that's more intensive and takes a lot more effort. This lawn is at 10 mil, where the other one's at 30 mil, and yeah, you can see the difference and make your mind up which you like better, I suppose. It's all a lifestyle thing, and you know, situation, and what you like doing. You know, me personally, I like to really get into my lawns and have some fun with them, make them look good. You know, some people might think that the back lawn there looks quite good and that's good for them. Well, that's a good choice for them, and you know, if you're looking at doing something like that, TifTuf could be on your radar. So I really wanted to share that video with you. Just looking after your lawn, nice and easy, rotary mower, no fertilising, bit of water now and then, and you can get a half decent result. This one I'm going to be taking to the next level though. I'm going to be looking after it with a cylinder mower. So if you want to keep up to date with those videos, make sure that you like this video if you like this one. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, that helps me grow, but it also notifies you of my next video. All right, thanks for watching everybody. Get your lawn on.